Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this equation. We have x squared minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, so please, there are lots of methods on the side there, but I will choose to go by this particular method. And if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and quick questions together. Thank you for doing that. So from here, this 1 squared, we can write it as 1 squared, which is the same as 1. Okay? And it's equal to 1 minus x. Looking at this, is the same as difference of 2 squared. If you can recall, which is a squared minus b squared, it results in a minus b, a plus b. Okay? In algebra, if you recall. So x squared minus 1 squared will result in x minus 1, x plus 1, and which is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, so from here, we need to send this 1 minus x to the left-hand side. By doing so, we're going to get x minus 1, x plus 1, and then this one will come first, which is plus x, and then minus 1. So let's put them in the bracket, and it's still the same, and it's equal to 0 here. Okay, now we have x minus 1 here and x minus 1 here. So let us factorize x minus 1 outside. Then we're going to get x plus 1, then x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, which is 1, and it's equal to 0. Okay, so for me, we have x minus 1 bracket open. We have x 1 plus 1, which is 2. It's equal to 0. Okay, so for me, we say that x minus 1 is equal to 0, and then x plus 2 is also equal to 0. So x is equal to 1. It's one solution. From here, x is equal to negative 2. Another solution for x. Let's verify to know if these two sets of solutions satisfies the equation. So we have x squared minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x. When x is equal to 1, we have 1 squared minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1. 1 squared is 1 minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 1. You can see that they are the same. This side will result in 0, equal to 0. Now, when s is equal to negative 2, we are going to get negative 2 1 squared minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 2. So this one will give us 4 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus, which is plus 2. So 4 minus 1, which is 3, is equal to 1 plus 2, is also equal to 3. So they are also the same. So it means that our x, which is equal to 1, is correct, and s, which is equal to negative 2, is also correct. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.